Throughout my time here at St. Joseph's School, I have made some great friends here and befriended lots of teachers that were nice, kind, and was good at making jokes and taught me valuable lessons. Hi, my name is Harley and I'm a proud year 8. This year, my leadership role was as Psalm leader of Martin, and I enjoyed taking care of the children from each house group. This role has given me the confidence I need for high school to talk to big groups of students with composure. Sometimes things didn't go to plan, so we had to improvise and change the games we had planned. I love being a Psalm leader with Alexa, because even though we argued a lot, we still had fun. I learned to be a leader at the National Young Leader Day in Dunedin. We got to listen to lots of amazing people who were doing things to help people. There was also a singer there, Georgia Hines, who we got to listen to perform. I can't really remember my year 3 or year 5 camp, but I do remember my year 6 camp. It was Camp Columba, and it was great, because the first activity was archery, and I like archery. We got to shoot at a target with a deer picture on it and try to shoot it in its eye. It felt easy to draw back the string and shoot at the target. The next activity we did was rock climbing. So we climbed under a giant post, and at the top of this ceiling, there was a bell we had to ring. Well, I, in particular, am scared of rock climbing, so I only climbed like a quarter of the rock climb. When I went to Wellington Camp at year 7, oh boy, it was a blast. After we got to the zoo, to my surprise, we took the back entrance to the place we were going to stay the night. After we set our things down and waited for the tourists to leave, I saw some monkeys nearby. The thing I liked the most about Wellington Camp was we got to go to cool places like Winter Workshop, where we got to see how movies like Lord of the Rings were made. I also like the police museum because we got to dress as police uniforms. My favorite was going to the Marine Center and getting to see a lot of sea animals I had never seen before. We even got to touch them, even the weird ones. At St. Joseph, I have enjoyed being in the choir and singing fun songs. I have also enjoyed all the productions like Haka Dakota when we got the dancer sticks that lit up. This year, I really like dancing like Michael Jackson. And St. Joseph. I would like to thank all the teachers I have had during my time here. I remember Mrs. Dixon was nice and caring, teaching us all about life when I was in Piwakawaka. I remember Mrs. Davidson, who's not here, too sad, was patient and used to play fun songs in my class, got to dance in Tui class, and Boo class. Mrs. Sullivan was a funny person and we got to do lots of cool stuff. She even used to bring her dog in sometimes. In Hoiho, Mrs. Healy was very helpful during our lessons. Miss McCall was very fun, and I remember making cards out of cardboard with her in hockey class. In mobile class, I have done lots of fun things with Miss Sutton, like the mule, bungee jumping, and high five. I've also loved choosing my leadership role and getting privileges like using the microwave machine and toasting machine, which is kind of basic. I have also enjoyed taking other families who were thinking about enrolling their children here at St. Joseph's for tours and to school. I really like hosting team assemblies because it made you feel like an important person. My last words to everybody is always have fun with your dreams, especially when you're at St. Joseph. They will support you to build your character and help you grow in lots of life lessons. Thank you.